Hey, what's going on, everybody? We're going to be taking a look at the Bitcoin chart because that's my favorite thing in the world to do. I'm going to be giving you guys my thoughts on what's going on in the market, guys. And we had a lot of stuff go on in the market. Today was a pump that was way overdue. And yes, I'm super excited doing my little chair dance. Guys, we had pumpage all the way from $31,000 to where we are now. It's about 19 or 20. Let me see where we are. We saw about a 20% gain today. I would take a 20% gain any single day in crypto. Any day, every day. Guys, today we saw pumpage. Why? Because first off, we're sick and tired of getting dumped on. And secondly, the most bullish news came out. The most bullish, most important thing ever for Bitcoin and the crypto verse. Yes, I say crypto verse. I love it. I'm going to keep saying it. Crypto verse. Ever. El Salvador, a Latin country, just came out and is now officially the very first country to accept Bitcoin as their form of currency. They passed it into law, people. You know how bullish that is? You know how bullish now we're not playing games anymore. Now it's their legal tender. Guys, a third world country is pulling themselves up by their bootstraps and saying, I'm not taking this anymore. I'm not relying or leaning on the dollar, which, by the way, is losing value every single day. Go ahead, look it up. If you guys want to be ignorant to what's actually happening in our country, unfortunately, we are facing hyperinflation. It's gonna crumble soon, guys. We just keep printing more and more money, burying ourselves in more and more debt, passing the buck and kicking the can every single year down the road. It's going to catch up with us, guys. And El Salvador was super, super smart in realizing that and saying, I'm not having it anymore. They have taken the most rarest asset, I'm going to say it, guys, the most rarest asset known to man, Bitcoin, and accepted it as their currency, guys. That's major. That's major. If you guys don't understand how major it is, please do yourself some homework. Take your head out of the sand and wake up. Open your eyes. That's super bullish, guys. Don't believe anything else anybody else is telling you. That's super bullish. And there's other countries, Latin countries, that are following suit, that are saying, hey, yeah, that sounds great. Because, guys, if the world is measured on the dollar and the dollar ain't spit, what do you think is going to happen? Especially when these other countries don't get to reap the benefits of, how we keep printing off money and giving it out to our citizens. They don't get any of that. But their whole economy's structured and based on what happens to our dollar. But they don't get any kind of relief. None. They get left behind. They're the forgotten ones in the world. And they're not having it anymore, guys. Realize how important that is. I know, I'm sorry. I went on a tangent, though. I apologize. I'll get back on track. Let's go look at the charts. Guys, this is major. So we saw about a 20% pump from the bottom of that last dump. And hopefully right now we can just keep that range, guys. If we can stay above 35,000 and range between 35,000 to 40,000, that would be super, super bullish. That would get people back in the game, feeling confident and getting back into buying more. So that's what I'm hopefully that's what I would like to see happen. More than likely, we will see some volatility. We will see some chop, but that's what I'm expecting as things go on. We'll update ourselves. All we can do, guys, we can't front run the market. That's how you get wrecked. We can only react to the market. So as things play out, I'll keep you guys informed. Let's take a look real quick at Ethereum. Ethereum now on the 4-hour and 24-minute, it's kind of a better chart to look at, is now on an upward trend. Again, hopefully we can keep this trend line and not break it. More than likely, though, the chances are that we will dip underneath it at some point, but not for long is what I'm expecting. Hopefully, we start seeing this get flipped into major, major support, and we just keep making higher highs. Excuse me, I had to burp from where we were currently at. Yeah, so that's what I'm hoping to see with Ethereum. Guys, bullish news for Ethereum 2. Ethereum 2.0 is coming out real soon. That's a game changer. Don't forget that. Forget all the other noise that these social media outlets and news outlets and all these other people who are spreading FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt into the market. Forget all that, dude. Ignore it. Don't listen to what they say. Watch what they do. Know the fundamentals. know the TA, know the technicals of your coins, and just, you know, do your thing. We're going to go into ADA real quick. It's pretty much the same thing as it's Ethereum, guys. We're in an upward trend. Hopefully, again, it stays on that trend line, making it into support, guys. Real bullish, guys. Real bullish. And I just want to update you guys real quickly. I know I kind of went on a rant. I'm sorry. I apologize. But you guys don't understand how bullish that is, guys. But yeah, that's what's going on in the charts, guys. If you guys would have took my video and you guys were listening to my video and you guys took that dip and bought and DCA'd that dip like I did, you would be 20% up on whatever position you took, especially if you got it on the bottom like I did. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I got it on the bottom right there. I bought the dip. I bought the dip. 20%. That's huge. 20%, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Please practice proper risk management. Please don't over leverage yourself unless you're an experienced trader. Please be in smart positions. And if you are getting into positions, dollar cost average. I don't know if right now would be like the time to actually get into leverage trading and stuff like that. But if you're DCAing into, you know, long-term holds, your spot buys and stuff like that, you're going to do well. That's not financial advice. That's just my opinion. But think about it. Go on and think about it. Hope you guys have a good night. Take care. Peace. God bless.